today I'm going to show you how to ride roller skates. Here are they. They are pretty hard to use it, but you can do it. If you can open it, it's just press this white button and then this thing will open. So if you want guys who wanna like ride this like roller skate, you have to have a safety first. So you have to use this. I forgot what its name, but it was. If you fall, it's gonna hurt because it's for safety and for your arms. And this is a helmet that I don't want to wear it because I don't want my hair to get sweat. So are you ready, guys? I'm gonna show you how to play it. So first things first, if you want to stand up just like this, and you stand up carefully. So you need someone to help you to stand up. If you cannot play roller skate, you need someone to help you. If you can play with this, just look if you don't remember. So first things first, you have to carefully just do this. Push your right foot like this, and then glide. As you can see, is rolling onto the platform. If it's like this, like there's lots of cracks, it's gonna break your wheels. So you have to like be careful because it's gonna make you fall or make you something. There's a boo-boo, something that like this. Now, if you wanna fall, just do this. If you wanna roll like that, just like that. Like you're playing ice skating. It's easy. I play a lot of ice skating. If you guys have 2 wheels, you can do it like this. But you have 4 wheels like me, just do it, just watch this video so you can do whatever you want. So if you're already so, like already know to, wear this thing, just ride it on. So if you want to move forward, just do this. Push your foot like this. If you want to go backwards, just like this, it will go backwards. So if you do this, it's not gonna move. It just moves slowly like this. Look, I'm not going anywhere. Look, if you do this, it will move. Now, if you want to stop, just like this. Here's the ramp right over here in the back. There's no 2 of them, only just 1 in my right foot. Now, if you want to turn left or right, just do this. Yes? And then move your feet slowly like this. And glide again. It's easy. If you cannot do it, just use your parent or your sister to do it. If your sister can do the roller skate, just ask your sister how to play it. If you're watching this video, you're gonna follow my lead. Now it's very simple. There you go. Now if you want to watch this again, watch this part 2. Bye now. I'm gonna do this again.